Lesson 1 Spelling Words. Listen for the words as I read them aloud and type them into the Google form as you hear them. Number 1. Absences. Absences. Mario had 5 school absences. Absences. Number 2. Circuit. Circuit. The light will not come on if there is a short circuit in the cord. Circuit. Number 3. Bronze. Bronze. Pat won the bronze trophy. Bronze. Number 4. Chess. Chess. Do you know how to play a game of chess? Chess. Number 5. Depth. Depth. What is the depth of this lake? Depth. Number 6. Cabinet. Cabinet. Store canned goods in the cabinet. Cabinet. Number 7. Glimpse. Glimpse. Lucy got a glimpse of her present. Glimpse. Number 8. Feather. Feather. Birds of a feather flock together. Feather. Number 9. Publish. Publish. When will the newspaper publish your article? Publish. Number 10. Snack. Snack. Della loved to eat celery and peanut butter as a snack. Snack. If you need any of the words repeated, please replay this recording.